Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Smart 6 HD, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this INFINIX. First of all, just access Play Store. Now you need to install iOS Launcher by tapping on the search bar, typing in iOS Launcher and choosing this free app from this developer. When it's ready, click on Open and wait for the pop-ups. Now you need to choose while using the app and Allow, then swipe up and choose Home button. After that, you need to select iOS Launcher, click on Always, and lastly, tap on Got it! Then choose OK. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my INFINIX. If you want to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going into Devices Settings. Then scrolling down and choosing App Management. Lastly, just click on Default Apps and select Home App. So sorry, misclick. In order to go back into your default launcher, you need to choose XOS Launcher. And if you wish to change it to iOS, just tap on it over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!